And I don't have some fancy degree. I don't have certificate. I don't have any of that. I just have a lot of staying power.
Hello, hello, hello. It's Holly Rustick here with Grant Writing and Funding. I'm so excited to be interviewing. We have a big series going on right now for people that are in the mentorship, the Grant Professional Mentorship Program, and they're going to share their experiences with you in these little 15-minute interviews, sometimes shorter than that. And I'm so excited to welcome Gwen Valentino to the podcast today because not only has Gwen gone through from the Freelance Grant Writer Academy into the Grant Professional Mentorship, she's been our co-coach, our lead co-coach inside the academy, and now also a co-coach inside the mentorship. So this is so cool that you're coming on as your journey has progressed with us, and you're going to share your background because you're still writing grants. You're still out there getting clients. You have all of the things. You're creating products. Like it has been so fun. First off, just to work with you and just to like start with you on your journey and help you build your business and then like have you come and be a part of building my business. So it's so awesome. So welcome, Gwen.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm so excited to be here. Of course, nervous all the time when I have to speak, but it's so fun to be on this journey. It is
I love it.
like I say it all the time. It's life changing.
Yes. And you're based in New Mexico. So like let's get into it. Tell us a little bit like what was happening in your business before you joined the mentorship. And I know you had come from the academy, but even in the academy, like you already had a business when you joined. So can you kind of talk about like what your business is and where you're at?
My business is New Mexico Grant Writers, and I'm in New Mexico, and I kind of stay in New Mexico. I don't really go outside of New Mexico because there's plenty of business here. Um, my business was doing really good in the academy, and I went through all your steps, and my stories all over the place. Like I I was one of the make 10K in 90 days. I did that no problem. Like I really leaned all the way into your training, followed everything you said. I had clients before I even launched my website. Like I was like the poster child for the academy. So it was a lot of fun. And I made a ton of money, way more. I think I 10x my income in 90 days because I was making about $1,000 a month, and I went to 12 or $15,000 really quickly a month. So that's amazing.
Yep.
And but where I was stuck is like I wanted to level up. Like after I went through the academy for the year, I was ready to see like what else. Like if I could do that, what else could I do? And so I had clients. I was super, super busy. But everything would felt really kind of like reactive. Like somebody would
Mm,
call with a grant and then I would like have to hustle. And I had the skills, but my systems weren't dialed in as much as I wanted them to be. And I really felt like mentorship was going to take it to like that next level. And I feel like it did it. I feel um, like the systems just get deeper. Everything just gets deeper. If you're in the academy and you're just feeling like, okay, I kind of know that. I kind of feel like that was going to be the answer. Like jump into mentorship because if you're going to be like, oh, okay, now I know. Now I know why they set me up in academy to now be able to really understand and go to the next level.
I love that so much. And like why so was it basically you joined because you wanted the systems, you wanted the support? Like was there any other main reason of why you wanted to join the mentorship?
Yeah, I wanted to make my business sustainable and be able to forecast. And as I was doing strategy sessions for my clients, I wanted to really do more strategy planning for my business and
Mm,
get that higher level thinking. And I was having trouble locking in on that because I was so busy in my client work. So it
yeah.
was better if I came to mentorship and was like, this is the issue I'm having. And you were able to be like, oh, let's just fix that.
Right.
And then I just wanted to stop reinventing the wheel with every grant and just making more like you just teach us how to like really fall into the master grant application and really keep that flow going better than what I was.
Nice, nice. What do you think is the main difference? Because you're in both programs, you're coaching in both programs now. What do you feel like is the main? Because we have two main programs, right? One is the academy. So if you're new and you want to build a business, you might not be new to writing grants. You could be though, because we also teach grant writing in there. But you want to build a business, you want to, get your first clients, all of that, and you want to be feel secure and confident about writing grants. So that's the academy. The mentorship though is you've already made about 40K in your business, you're ready to now you're burned out because you're working too much, you have clients, you're making the money, but you don't know how to scale without burning out or working weekends. And maybe you want to also do an on-demand program like you're doing, on-demand products, that sort of thing, and kind of scale up in different ways. But for you, like, what I mean, I kind of said the differences, but for you, like, what do you feel like are the main differences?
And that was it. It was I wanted to grow. Like I felt like I could handle my clients the way I was handling them, but for how long, right? Like
Yeah,
how long until I burn out? And I could forecast like, okay, I could probably do this a couple years, but then I'm going to burn out and I'm not going to enjoy it. And I didn't want to do that. So I really wanted to lean into more systems and doing the on-demand programs and getting like I have a little vault of cause areas. Like I wanted to like kind of lean
so
into
cute.
those extra pieces and I love the way you teach like grant writing for your bills and all these little extras for your savings account. Like I really appreciate that because we're always trying to go on a trip somewhere. So I need the savings account to be actively working all the time.
Yeah.
So yeah, I just really wanted to to level up,
Mhm.
just level up in my game and think more strategic than what I was thinking.
I love that so much. So, what has really surprised you in the mentorship?
What has surprised me? The support in the community. Like again, like the academy has so much support and so much community. The mentorship has more people in it that are thinking more strategically, that are thinking, 5 steps ahead. Um, so it just like what the people are doing in mentorship feels like they're at the top of their game. These
Yeah,
people are amazing. I can't wait to grow up to be like them. So it really gave me a lot of like confidence in saying like, oh yeah, well if they could do it, I could probably figure it out. I could do it too. And so
yeah,
that first few months that I was in academy, I was really kind of dialing in these extra programs because I was like, okay, this is how we level up. I can only sustain my dollar amount for so long.
yeah,
I level up my game with on demand with other programs and you teach all of that, like then I'm going to be able to grow my income, my net income every month.
yeah. I love that. So, like being in the room with people on similar journeys and aspirations to you is a lot different, right? So that's been surprising. I love that too. Yeah, because the mentorship is the mastermind, right? It's more of that mastermind feel, where the academy is that group program. And amazing community, right? But everybody's kind of on their own journey. Like some people are new to grant writing, some people are this, where the mentorship is kind of like everybody's kind of on a similar journey. Some people may not be opening on-demand courses, some people may be just doing on-demand training, but everybody's kind of like, we're here to grow. We're here to get systems, we're here to grow. So it is yeah, being in that room with those people. I love that. I love that. And what has really changed in your business since you joined the mentorship?
I think my confidence has changed. I feel like
Mm,
I'm very confident in what I say now. I
yeah,
noticed the other day in a meeting where usually I kind of like hang back and I don't really I just take in what other people say. But I was in a meeting and they were saying things that were dumb when it came to grant writing. So I
mhm,
was like, no, that's not how it works. And and sometimes I've had to talk to some of the legislative in New Mexico, and I've had to be like, yes, thank you for recommending this grant, but like it doesn't apply. And
yeah.
because I have learned just how to stand up for myself a little bit more and be like, thank you, but that's wrong. So,
Right.
and in a very polite way, but like
Yeah.
normally I wouldn't have had the confidence to say anything back. I would just be like, okay, I'll pretend like I'm going to take their advice. But if it's bad advice, then they should stop saying it to other people. Because my
I love
clients
that.
come to me and say like, oh, well, so and so said you should write this grant for this project, and I'm like, it won't it won't get approved. Like
Yeah.
that's not an eligible cost. So like it's just I have a lot more confidence in my responses to people.
I love that. And it really sounds like that thought leadership, that strategy, instead of just being like, okay, I'll write your grants and I'm the go-to check off the list girl. But no, I'm like, no, I'm a part of your strategy. I'm going to sit at the table. I'm going to say things.
Yeah,
Right? I love that.
they wanted to bring a big manufacturing business and nobody knew how to fund it. And so I was able to come to the meeting. I'm like, here's the 5 grants we're going to write because it's like a $4 million project. Here's the dates we're going to write them. Like I came into the room like a boss where
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
again, normally like they're like, oh, that's our grant writer over there in the corner. Like, no, I was
Right.
at the table and saying like, this is how it
Yeah.
needs to go and this is why. And I just had a lot more confidence because with all the education I've gotten between the academy and the mentorship, I know what I'm saying is right. So I
Yeah.
don't have to sit in the corner and guess and maybe call somebody for backup. I am the backup now. So it's really
I
good.
love that. I love that. And that's what being in a room of other people, like-minded individuals where you can bounce things off of, you can then get to the head of the table real fast because when you have that community, when you have, when you just know what you're talking about and you can even ask before you go into a meeting, like, hey, is this all, y'all, can I give me some feedback on this? And people do, right? People do. They share vulnerability. They share things. They ask questions. Because they know they can ask people in the mentorship and they'll get the right responses too. Those people have been at the table as well. They know what to say, right? So I love that, Gwen, for you. Like, that is
Yeah,
so cool.
mentorship is very fireside chat kind of vibe, right? Like
Yeah.
he has a lot of people asking a lot of different questions, and it's awesome because I didn't have a business before. So
Hmm.
it really helped me like dial in my business. But mentorship is that transition into like, okay, now like my 15 favorite people are sitting around the fire talking about the same thing I'm talking about. And we're
Yeah.
going to form and build individually build bigger businesses.
I love that. So, so, so good. Okay, so if somebody is sitting on the fence right now going like, okay, I have a business, and I'm thinking about growing it, which he says sounds cool, but I just don't know if I should join or not. Like, what would you tell them?
So I would tell them if they crave structure, if they crave the community, um, if they are basically like if you are in your business right now and you feel overwhelmed, come into mentorship and we're gonna stop that.
Yeah.
We're gonna squash that so fast and be like, okay, here's how whatever piece you're feeling overwhelmed about, we're going to break it down and fix it and make it easy for you to digest and make your business grow from there because the overwhelm is just going to make you feel stuck and make you
Yeah.
feel scared. And
Yeah.
we obliterate overwhelm.
Yeah. I love that. So, and I also love that you were on the wait list too. Like we do only open the mentorship at certain points. And you were like, as soon as you're like, I want to come in, and I'm like, here's a wait list. And you're like, okay, I've got to wait now. And you waited
I
for
know.
months
And
before
I
we
worked for
opened.
you.
Yeah, and you worked for me. Yeah, you still had to wait. So also like if you guys are thinking about joining, we only open up once or twice a year. You guys will definitely want to join now. It's going to be so much fun. And it's still like the beginning of 2026 vibes. Like it's still that time of the year where, you can do so much, right? You can do so much in your business when you're joining now to really get set up for the rest of the year and just have that predictability and cash flow in your systems and just having more, like you said, get rid of that overwhelm, feel like let's start working less on weekends, like don't work on weekends, and get some things like built up, not only for your cash flow for your bills, but also for your savings. Like we go to the next level. We're not just going to leave you like, let's get you booked out, like let's get you booked out. And then how are we going to save for your retirement? How are we going to save for your trips? How are we going to do this? How are we actually going to live and make this a legacy business? So anyways, that's what I'm adding at the end because I got excited. Yeah.
And I know from the beginning you were like, you need to hire somebody. And I was like, nope, nope, not going to hire anybody. Well, now I've hired 2 people.
Yep.
So
We get you moving.
did, and so much of my brain is freed up by hiring people. So I'm able to do more
Yeah.
and be and serve better because I have And I didn't hire a grant writer. I hired somebody to handle my IT. I hired somebody to handle my social media. Like I hired people that were in pieces of my business that were I was not directly making money from.
Yeah. Yeah.
That helped a lot to be able to say like, because when you said hire, I was like, I don't want to hire. And but then I just see the benefits so much, and it's just been a blessing. I always tell you, like, before Academy, I was hoping to make $1,000 a month. That was my
Yeah.
goal, right? Just to
Yeah.
help with the mortgage. Like, not, I didn't have these like thinking that I could do a lot. And I don't have some fancy degree. I don't have a certificate. I don't have any of that. I just have a lot of staying power.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
Just
and
doing the work. I love it. I love
I
it.
did
That's
the
all you
work.
need to
And
do.
then in Academy, it just made it so much easier to all the systems, like all the systems.
Yeah.
They
Yeah.
make life so much simpler.
I love it. And look at you now. You're like over 200K a year, like gonna retire your husband so he can work in your business soon. Like it is so cool. I'm so like honored to be a part of your journey.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah, he's excited too. Like it's so funny. Like now that all our kids are out of the house, like grant writing is bringing us closer together, which is hysterical.
That's so funny. I love it. I love, who knew? Who knew? And you've been able to travel with your kids, like the American Ninja Warrior, like all over the world
Yep.
and take your business with you. Like that's been so cool to watch too. Like I love that story with your kids, how you've been able to like be a sponsor for them and like your business has like really helped American Ninja Warrior.
I've helped them and their friends, other ninjas,
Yeah.
and I've helped a lot of ninja gyms turn into nonprofits and then start a nonprofit arm and being able to um,
Amazing.
just really see the benefits of what grant writing can do when you're helping youth. Like it's
Yeah.
that's amazing. And
Yeah.
traveling, we went to 3 countries last year, which I haven't been out of the country since I was a kid. And then this year we're at least going to Ireland. So that'll be a lot of fun.
Wow.
And it's all part of the business. So it's
I
awesome.
didn't know you hadn't been out of the country since you were a kid, and you went 3 times. Like you joined me in Spain for one of them.
Yep. And we went to Italy and we went to Sweden last year for
Yeah.
Ninja, and then Spain with you. And then we're really close to going to Dubai this last month, but
Oh,
she had
nice.
too many finals, so we stayed,
Oh,
we stayed in the
oh,
States.
Dubai is nice. I love Dubai. Yeah.
Yeah, my son went there last year and he did really well.
Yeah.
Ninja.
Oh, I bet. I bet. So cool. So cool. Well, thank you so much, Gwen. We're going to wrap this up because we're keeping these tight and short for our little series that we have going on. I know you and I, we've already been talking before we even joined this, like an hour and a half, I think. So, but I just want to thank you so much for coming on and sharing your journey and being a part of our programs. It is so cool. Like if you guys join, you also get Gwen as one of the coaches, and she's done the work. She's been through the programs. She has done the work. She is still doing the work. It's not like we just have people in there that have no idea that coaches, that don't know about grant. Like, no, they do. We hire from within our program. So I absolutely love that. And I love that you've been a part of this journey. So thank you so much. So where can people find you, Gwen, if they're interested in hiring a grant writer in New Mexico or finding out more about the program?
My website is NM for New Mexico, grantwriters.com. And I have a blog. I'm on LinkedIn. I'm on Instagram. I'm on Facebook. Like I'm everywhere. And I do a ton of well, I don't do the social media anymore, but there's a ton out there now.
Yep.
So yeah, I'm everywhere. And I have a couple courses, more to come. We just put the
Okay.
cause area vault. So if you're looking for a
It's
way
so
to
cute.
like
It's so cute. You just showed it to me the other day. It's adorable and I love it. Yeah, so you guys can go find grants according to your different cause areas. Really cool.
Yep, or you could buy the whole vault. So if you're
Yeah.
not quite ready for like, grant prospecting software, that's just a way to shortcut it, especially when
Yeah.
you're starting. And then I have a how to build a nonprofit for your for-profit business. So yeah.
Love it. Love it. All right. So they can find you. Thank you for coming in and I'll see you back inside the program. Thanks, Gwen.
Thank you.